Squaring of a number ending with 5. Squaring of a number ending with 5. तो dear students, what we'll do here, किसी भी नंबर का अगर किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर हमें करना है, उसका लास्ट डिजिट यूनिट डिजिट 5 है, बहुत इजीली कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, तो 5 स्क्वायर, ये तो सबको मालूम है, 5 स्क्वायर इज 25. 15 स्क्वायर इज व्हाट? 15 स्क्वायर इज 225. 15 स्क्वायर इज 225 and 25 स्क्वायर इज 625. तो व्हाट टू डू है, तो क्या करना होता है, अगर यूनिट प्लेस 5 है और आपको स्क्वायरिंग करनी है, सो दिस इज लिटरली वेरी इजी. तो क्या होगा, लास्ट टू डिजिट ऑलवेज 25. तो 5 है केवल यहाँ पे, तो 5 स्क्वायर करो तो विल गेट 25 एज द लास्ट टू डिजिट ऑलवेज. अगर हम स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं किसी भी नंबर का एंडिंग विद 5, तो 15 स्क्वायर है, यूनिट प्लेस इज 5 एंड पावर इज 2, तो लास्ट टू डिजिट शुड बी 25. 25 स्क्वायर, this unit place is 5, so last two digits should be 25, right? To get the remaining digits, like 2 and 6 कैसा आया, just 5 का स्क्वायर 25, तो यहाँ लिखा, just multiply this number, 5 के अलावा जो नंबर है, just multiply this number with the next higher digit. Just multiply this number with the next higher digit. तो 1 का next higher digit क्या होता है, 2, तो 1 into 2 is 2, तो this should be 2 है, क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ 2, तो 15 square is 225. Similarly 25 square, तो last two digits should be 25, 5 square is 25. To get the remaining digits, क्या करेंगे, just multiply this number, 5 के अलावा जो नंबर बचे, just multiply this number with the next higher digit. Like 2, next higher digit is 3, 2 into 3 is 6, so it comes out to be 6 here. 25 square is 625. Similarly 35 square, what is 35 square, so last two digits should be 25. To get the remaining digit, just multiply this 3 with the next higher digit. Next higher digit of 3 is 4, so 3 into 4 is 12. 35 square is 1225. 1225. Similarly 75 स्क्वायर, लास्ट टू डिजिट्स 25, ये तो रहने वाला है. अगर नंबर एंड हो रहा है 5 से, स्क्वायर करो तो लास्ट टू डिजिट शुड बी ऑलवेज 25. अब टू गेट द रिमेनिंग डिजिट्स, अब देखो नो नीड टू यूज पेन एंड पेपर हियर. देयर इज दिस डिजिट इज 7, जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई दिस 7 विद द नेक्स्ट हाई डिजिट. 7 into 8 is 56. 5625. 52625. 75 स्क्वायर इज 5625. 85 स्क्वायर, तो क्या करना है, सिंपल सा है. 85 स्क्वायर तो 8 into 9 करना है बेसिकली. 8 into 9 72, means 7225. 7225. 65 square, 6 into 7 is 42, means 4225. 4225. 115 square, 115 square, so 11 into 12. What is 11 into 12? So just write 11 as 10 plus 1. 10, 12 into 10 is 120. 12 and 12. 120 plus 12 is 132. 13225. So last two digit to 25 रहना. 115 square, 13225. 5 square से 25 मिले. To get the remaining digits, जो भी जो नंबर होएगा, just multiply it with next higher digit, right? 11 into 12. So last one, 125 square. Last two digit to 25. Just multiply this 12 with the next higher digit, right? It comes out to be 12, 336. Carry 3, 12 and 12, 156. 15625. So 125 square is 15625. I think this part is clear to all now. How to find the squaring of any number ending with 5, right? So next is base 15. How to find the square of any number with base 15. Base 15 means number lie कर रहा है 26 to 50 या 51 to 75. Base 50 में lie करेगा, right? 1 to 25 you have to learn. You have to learn up to 25. So first I am considering this one. How to find the square of number lies between 26 to 50. 26 to 50. Then B. Same ही हल्का सा चेंज आएगा बस, 51 to 70. So dear student, let's say you have to find the square of 44. What is 44 square? You have to follow 2 steps only. You have to follow 2 steps only. First find कि 44 is how much less than 50. First find कि first step is what? Find कि number is how much less than 50. Number is how much less than 50, right? Number is how much less than 50. That is 6. First step is what? Find the number is how much less than 50. That 44 is less than 6 less than 50. 6 less than 50. So dear students, 44 square की last 2 digits क्या मिलेंगे? The first last 2 digits of 44 square should be same as 6 square. Last 2 digits of 44 square should be same as 6 square. तो क्या आ जाएगा? 36. 36. To find the remaining digits, what we'll do? Just subtract just subtract this value 6 from 25. एक नंबर आपको केवल याद रखना है 25 in both the cases. In both the cases 25 and 25. If number is less than 50, if number is less than 50, तो 25 minus 25 minus. If number is more than 50, then 25 plus. Just give me a second. It's not like this. If the number is lies between 26 to 50, if the number is lies between 26 to 50, first step is find ki number is how much less than 50. Number is how much less than 50. Let's say number is x less than 50, right? So the last two digits of number, so last two digits of square of number should be same as x square, should be same as 6 square here. To get the remaining digits, what to do? Just subtract x from number. Just subtract x from 25. Just subtract x from 25. तो क्या रहेगा? Last two digits of n square should be same as x square. That is the first step. And to get the remaining digits, just subtract x from 25. You have to follow these two steps only. ये two steps follow करने हैं बस. Similarly यहाँ पर, here we'll see कि number is how much more than 50. Obviously ज़्यादा होएगा if the number lies between 51 to 75. तो ज़्यादा होना है number more than 50. So the number is how much more than 50. So again same thing. The last two digits of n square should be same as x square. And to get the remaining digits, just add x in 25. यहाँ add करना होगा 25 plus x. So that's the moral of the story. Now we can find a square of any number between 26 to 75. Now listen to me, guys. So first one is, let's find the square of 44. What is 44 square? To see if 44 is how much less than 50. 44 is how much less than 56? 6. The last two digits of 44 square should be same as 6 square, is 36. And to get the remaining digits, just subtract 6 from 25. Just subtract 6 from 25. What you will get? 19. So 44 square is 1936. 44 square is 1936. Great. Let's say कि number is 48 square. 48 square. So guys, see कि 48 is how much less than 50? कितना less है? 2. So the last two digits, guys. Last two digits of 48 square should be same as 2 square. 2 square is 4, but you have to write 2 digits. 2 square is 4, but you have to write 2 digits. So last two digits of 48 square should be 0, 4. And to get the remaining digits, just subtract 2 from 25. What you will get? 2304. Got it? 2304. Right? ये तो हो चुका है. 44 square is what? 6 less than 50 means 36. Right? And 25 minus 6 is 19. 1936. 41 square, guys. 41 square. So 41 is 9 less than 50. 9 less than 50. So last two digits of 41 square should be same as 9 square. Means 81. 81. To get the remaining digits, just subtract 9 from 25. What you will get? 16. 16. 1681. 41 square is 1681. Got it, students? 1681. One more example. Let's say a number is 39 square. 39 square. So 39 is 11 less than 50. 11 less than 50. 11 less than 50. So last two digits of 39 square should be same as 11 square. 11 square is 121. 121. But you have to write only last two digits, guys. So क्या लिखेंगे? 21 लेंगे. We'll take 21 only. And this one is carryover. This one is carryover. Right? Carryover. So to get the remaining digits, second step is what? Subtract this number 11 from 25. What you will get? 25 minus 11. 25 minus 11 is 14. 14. And 1 is carryover. 14 plus 1 is 15. So 39 square is 1521. 1521. Got it, student? 1521. Now same for this thing. If the number is like, let's say number ले लेते हैं 56 square. So 56 is 6 more than 50. So last two digits of 56 square should be same as 6 square, 36. To get the remaining digits, just add 6 in 25. What you will get? 25 plus 6 is 30. So 56 square is 3136. So easy. Similarly, what is 59 square? 59 is 9 more than 50. So 9 square is 81. Last two digits. And 25 plus 9. Ab add karna hoga. 25 plus 9 is 34, is 3481. Similarly, 57 square means 7 more than 50 means 49. 7 square 49. And 25 plus 7 is 32, means 3249. So easy. 48 square already discussed kar liya. What is 40 square? 48 square. 48 is 2 less than 50 means 0, 4, 0. 2 square is 0, 4. And 25 minus 3 is 20. 2, 3, 0, 4. 62 square. So guys, 62 is 12 more than 50. 12 more than 50. 12 square is 144. 144. The last two digits of 62 square should be 44. And 1 is carryover. 1 is carryover. Now 25 plus 12. 25 plus 12 is what? 37. 37, 1 carryover means 38. So 62 square is 3844. 3844. Now I think you can find the square of any number up to 75 easily, right? But must learn the squares up to 25. Let me tell one more thing. 51 square. Orally karenge. Last one. 51 square. So guys, 51 means 1 more than 50. So 1 square is 01. So last two digits of 51 square is 01. And 25 plus 1 is 26. So 51 square is 2601. 2601. No need to use pen and paper. Dekh sakte ho. So these are very useful tricks. This will help you a lot in many questions, guys. So in next video of this series, I will discuss how to shortcuts, basically shortcut tricks for squares, how to find the squares up to 125, basically, right? 76 to 125, and to how to multiply three digit numbers. How to multiply three digit numbers like 108 into 107, right? 92 into 103. Such things I will discuss in the next video. तो वो भी काफी important video रहने वाली है आप लोगों के. So that's all for today, guys. That's all for this video. Bye bye everyone. Take care, guys. Thank you. So please like this video and subscribe our channel for more updates, right?